Today discuss about the complex numbers part 11. Okay, in the organed plane, organed plane means coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis divides into the organed plane. Four quadrants divides into the four quadrants. In the organed planes, given complex number z1 equals to x1 plus I by 1, 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 and z2 equals to x2 plus I by 2. Then equation of the line passing through the points or z1 x1 comma y1 and z2 x2 comma y2. Equation of the line or straight line passing through the points z1 x1 comma y1 and z2 x2 comma y2. Then y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, slope m and point a x1 comma y1. Then equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, in this concept some more problems are there, so solve some problems. Okay, find the equation of the line, equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 7 plus 7i, 7 minus 7i in the organed plane. Here two points are given. What is that? Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line. So see, given passing through the 2 points, equation of the line passing through the 2 points 7 comma 7, okay, 7 comma minus 7, one is 7 comma 7, 7 comma 7, 7 comma minus 7. So line, equation of the line in the organed plane, x-axis, y-axis, okay, origin intersect point O. Okay, right. Here find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Find the equation perpendicular for what is that? A B passing through the 2 points 7 comma minus 7 and 7 comma 7, these 2 points passing through the line AB. Now find the equation perpendicular bisector passing through the perpendicular bisector. That means here midpoint of the AB is O. Midpoint of the AB is O. So write here given complex numbers, given complex numbers A 7 plus 7i, that means 7 comma 7. B 7 minus 7i, 7 comma minus 7. Okay, so here O is a midpoint of AB, so midpoint of AB is O equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 y1, x2 y2. What is that? 7 plus 7 by 2 comma 7 minus 7 by 2, 14 by 2 comma 0 by 2. That means 7 comma 0, and slope of AB is m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here what is the y2? y2 minus y1 by minus 7 minus 7 by x2 minus x1, 7 minus 7 minus 14 by 0, something by 0 infinity, something by 0, that's it. So perpendicular bisector, slope of AB is equals to, so slope of AB equals to minus 14 by 0. Then now AB, CD is perpendicular to 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 AB. Then slope of CD is reciprocal. So sign, total sign, change the sign. Reciprocal means 0 by 14. 0 by 14 means 0. Therefore, equation of line CD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus, what is the point? 7 comma 0. 7 comma y1 means 0. M 0 into x minus x1 7. Therefore y equals to 0. Equation of the line perpendicular bisector. So find the equation of the line joining the points minus 9 plus 6i, 11 minus 4i in the organed plane. So given complex numbers A minus 9 plus 6i equals to minus 9 comma 6. Write as order pair. B equals to 11 minus 4i equals to 11 comma minus 4. X1 y1 x2 y2. Equation of the line joining the points joining the points A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, then y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, x minus x1. So substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2. Y minus y1 equals to 6, y2 minus 4, y1 6 by x2 11, minus of minus 9 into x minus x1 minus 9. Okay, minus 10 by minus into minus plus 11 plus 9, x plus 9. Okay, 10 by 19 minus 10 by 19 into x plus 9, minus 10 by 20 into x plus 9, 0 0 get cancel, cross multiplication, 2 of y minus 6 equals to minus x minus 9, 2y minus 12 equals to minus x minus 9, take the LHS, plus x plus 2y minus 12 plus 9 equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Required equation, x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay.